Flashback.
Hello guys. Hello. My name is Manish. My name is Manish Chopra.
4 to 6 weeks later.
So hello guys, my name is Manish Chopra and I know Mr. Ankit Solanki sir from us last 1 year and I'm also a part of great community. The name of the community is Zero to Advanced. If you want to speak English like me and if you want to be effective English speaker, if you want to remove hesitation, if you want to remove shyness and if you want to get a hike in the confidence level on the top high. So what you need to do? Is grab a mobile. The number is pinning on the screen, or either you can WhatsApp. The link of the WhatsApp is given in the description box. So you can see the major difference of the me, not me, him and me. How I was in the past and how I'm in the present. It's a great opportunity for you to being a great English speaker, to become a fluent English speaker, and to speak English in a fluent and efficient way. So if I talk about myself, that my name is Manish Chopra and I'm a YouTube expert. If you want to know more about me, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. The link of my YouTube channel is given in the description box. You go there, subscribe and press the bell notification. I help people regarding the YouTube channel, that how they can grow you on YouTube, that how they can start their YouTube channel, that how they can SEO optimize their YouTube videos. So this is the best offer for you and this is the best platform. The name of the platform is Zero to Advanced. I will suggest you must join the course Zero to Advanced to be a great English speaker. So best of luck.